What really happens in a jury deliberation room? Have you ever wondered what goes on behind closed doors in a jury deliberation room? It is a fascinating process where ordinary citizens come together to make important decisions. When jurors first enter the room, they have a key task ahead of them: selecting a foreperson, also known as a presiding juror. This individual plays a vital role in guiding discussions and ensuring that everyone has a chance to speak. The foreperson also manages the voting process and communicates with the judge if the jury has any requests. After choosing the foreperson, the jury begins reviewing the evidence and exhibits presented during the trial. These materials are provided to help jurors make informed decisions. If they need clarification on the law or want specific testimony read again, they can ask the foreperson to reach out to the judge through the bailiff. However, this can lead to delays, as everyone involved must return to the courtroom. During deliberations, jurors often have differing opinions. It is essential for each juror to share their thoughts while also listening to others. Jurors are not advocates, they are impartial fact-finders. They should be open to changing their views if persuaded by their peers, but ultimately, they must vote based on their honest beliefs after thorough discussion. Typically, jurors discuss each charge or claim separately, examining the evidence related to each aspect of the case. They may even create lists to organize their thoughts next to the relevant legal elements. After discussing the evidence, jurors will vote on each charge, and the foreperson records the verdict on forms provided by the judge. All discussions must happen when all jurors are present in the deliberation room. No conversations about the case are allowed outside this setting. Jurors are required to base their decisions solely on the evidence presented in court and the judge's legal instructions. If any juror refuses to deliberate properly or considers outside information, it is a violation of their oath, and the court should be notified. In criminal cases, a unanimous verdict is usually required, meaning all jurors must agree. In civil cases, the number of jurors needed for a verdict can vary, often requiring just a majority. The jury deliberation room serves as a critical environment where the collective judgment of citizens is exercised in a structured and confidential manner. The role of the jury is to evaluate the facts impartially and apply the law as instructed by the judge, ensuring that justice is served through community involvement in the legal system.